Welcome to the Masterclass on PydanticAI, a new framework for building AI agents. In this masterclass, we're learning about the core features of PydanticAI and how we can build effective agents using simple Python code. We aim to hit all key features of the framework with plenty of examples, so by the end of this, you have the confidence and knowledge to build your own agents. In today's video, we're going to create PydanticAI agents that output structured data in the form of Pydantic models and also parse textual data. Many business applications rely on parsing in one way or another and need clean typed LLM outputs for the processed data. Okay, a quick question. Why is it important to have the LLMs produce structured data? Strongly typed, validated data objects are essential to creating reliable enterprise-grading AI applications. LLM outcomes are unpredictable and when used without filtering can lead to exceptions and crashes. Therefore, converting text into structured and validated Python classes should be a high priority. Today, we'll work on 5 examples, starting with a simple hello world, then moving to a multi-field Pydantic class for capital cities. In our third example, we'll parse and output an invoice. Next, we'll look into parsing and creating a structured output for a resume. Finally, we'll look at how to scrape a real estate listing site, but really any page that contains structured data will do, and create structured LLM data for downstream processing. By the end of these exercises, you'll have enough practice to recognize and process any unstructured text into typed and validated Pydantic models. Let's get started. So we're going to start with our Hello World example. We're going to start with importing our classes at the top. And this time from Pydantic, we're also going to import BaseModel because that's what we're going to extend to use as our result output type. We're going to configure our logfire and then we're going to define our LLM model. We're using OpenAI today as well with GPT-4o Mini. And here we're defining our output model. So we're going to start with a simple calculation class, which will have a single variable, which will hold the result. The type will be an integer. And we're going to ask our model a simple question. What is 100 plus 300? The expected output should be 400 and the result should be in the type of a calculation class. Let's add the logfire debug and info messages. And once that's done, let's give it a run. Open the integrated terminal and type Python 4.1 structure response hello world. And as predicted, the result is 400 and the result type class is a calculation. Now let's take a look at the logfire. Navigate to your dashboard and you should see the result being again 400 and the result type being a calculation class. Now let's do a quick summary. Strongly typed, validated outputs from LLMs can greatly improve the reliability and experience of AI apps. PydanticAI provides a built-in structured output parameter result type for agent, making it super convenient to get clean data out of LLMs. Next time, we'll look into how to add static and dynamic system prompts to our agents. We had a small glimpse today at how it works, but we'll work on a couple of examples next time that are specifically tailored for creating the most effective system prompts. Another exciting chapter ahead. But for today, this is a wrap. If you've come this far, pat yourself on the back and get a cold one as a reward. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. Thank you and see you in the next video.